question 7. We've got a recent survey that 69% of the community favored building a police station, a substation in their neighborhood. If 14 citizens are chosen, find the probability that exactly 9 of them favor the building. So this is going to be a binomial. 69 is the sort of the chance of success, right? Of finding someone. So out of 14 with a 69% chance, what's the probability of getting exactly 9? We can use the binomial distribution in our calculators. So we'll go to the home screen, we'll go down to distributions, and we're going to go okay. We're going to back up a little bit. We don't want the normal, we want the binomial. For the binomial, we have to put in the sample size, which is 14. That's what the number being chosen. And then we put in the probability of success, which is 69%, 0.69. And now we've got this probability distribution. There are 4 choices. It's a little different than the normal distribution. We have the 3 options from normal distribution: below a value, between 2 values, above a value. But the 4th one we have with this one is absolutely equal, or exactly equal to a value. That's the one we're going to use here, because exactly 9. Exactly 9, we're going to use that one. We'll hit enter, and notice that our symbol here changes to an equals. So what is the probability that x equals 9? It's as easy as this. It's going to give us a percentage here, and it's going to show us that that's actually fairly, not the 10 would have been the most, but it's pretty good. So it's about a 20% chance, 0.203 to be exact, or not exact because you got to round sometime, right? But to 3 decimal places, this is going to be the correct answer. Now, this question could change. I might have said, what's the probability that less than 9? So if it was less than 9, what you would do is you would come over here, and we want below 9, the probability below 9. And watch, it's going to add all these together. We got that. We'll put in our 9. Where are we? There we are. Put in 9. And we see now that's 44%. That's not one of the answers, but that could have been it. We also could have said, what is the probability that it's 9 or above? And notice this has the equals too. So if it was simply less than 9, this is a question you want to be careful about. If it was less than 9, then we would have actually put 8 here. Because notice the line that this inequality has the equals to. So if it's less than 9, you've got to go to 8, less than or equal to 8. You put that one in, you get the 24%, and it shows you down here in the distribution. Okay, so just remember how that works. And again, it could have been greater than 9, so just choose the right values. Greater than or equal to 9 would be here, and you can kind of see that's got a high probability. None of these numbers, because this is exactly 9. So just remember, you can do all these different items with the binomial distribution, but you can count on there will be a question about the binomial distribution, much like this one. So be able to show that you can use it.